Ever heard of Dog GPT? It doesn't need Wi-Fi, 5G, or Google Maps. It runs on 4 legs, sharp memory, and just one algorithm: finding food. Meet Brownie, the dog who's cracked data science without a degree. Because every night at exactly 10 p.m., Brownie walks 1 kilometer to Shetty Uncle's gate and is there in 7 minutes flat. No maps, no traffic updates, no red lights. In this video, we'll explore how Brownie's street smart moves connect to algorithms, AI traffic signals, the way data scientists solve real-world problems, and who knows, maybe even solve Bengaluru's traffic crisis. What makes Brownie a genius is that she knows which alleys are quiet, where to find water, and exactly which gate is Mr. Shetty's. She's not guessing, this is her turf. Behind every step is data: trial, error, memory, repetition. Track this for 60 days and you'll find patterns, optimize routes, and risk-minimizing behaviors. Sound familiar? Yep, it's the same logic behind data science. Think of a city as a graph. Junctions are nodes, roads are edges, and Brownie's daily walk, a dataset. Scale that up from 10 lanes to 10,000 roads, 5,000 signals, 20,000 kilometers of chaos, and endless honking, and you have the beast known as Indian traffic. This is where algorithms like A* come in, helping you find the most efficient path between 2 points based on time, weather, and traffic patterns. That's basically how Google Maps works. Like your friend who swears he knows a shortcut to Mumbai and then lands you in Nasik. But maps can only do so much, especially when Indian traffic is upping the chaos factor every day. Bengaluru alone added over 7.2 lakh vehicles since last year. Now, what if every traffic signal had a tiny AI brain, one that adapted in real time, predicted jams before they happened, and even chatted with other signals? Each choice gets rewarded or penalized. Just like how Brownie learned not to go down alley A where she got barked at by her ex-bestie, but always returned to alley B where she found food. That's reinforcement learning in action. The same principle used by self-driving cars, robot vacuum cleaners, and Indian moms with their babies. What's wild is AI-driven traffic systems aren't science fiction. Cities in the US and China are already using it. Even in India, trials are happening in Surat and Bengaluru. The traffic mess is tough but not impossible to fix. Because whether it's a stray dog or a smart city, pattern recognition is universal. So the next time you see a dog trotting down the street, remember, that's machine learning on 4 legs. If you enjoyed this breakdown on how AI learns from life around us, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Newton School.